Hello everyone, welcome to a new video to my channel. Today this video is for who are taking class online and taking exam online but facing difficulty to check the exam copies, because most of the time you are getting exam copies in a PDF file, but it is very hard to edit a PDF file. Therefore either you need to print it or you need to make a way that you can get a hard copy. But today I am going to show you how you can check your exam copies without printing and just using your computer. So let's see how we can do this. This is an exam copy. It has been made a PDF from Word, just Microsoft Word converted into PDF file. So this is little bit easier, and most of the time you can get two different types of PDF copies, like as this one or another type of images, another type of PDF. Most of the time you will get these types of images. How you can get the PDF copy made of images? So in that case it is even difficult. So how you can do this? Today I am going to show you both the methods, just if you get the PDF from Word or PDF from images. Let's see. For that you need to have a Adobe Acrobat Reader. I am using version 10. So open your PDF files either from image or from Word. Just open your PDF file of exam copies in your computer using Adobe Acrobat 10 and go to the comment section. Here you can see the comment section. So in the comment section, when you click the comment section, you will see several icons mentioning this is add text box, going down text call out, line, draw line, arrow, circle, square, and different types of shapes, and this is pen, and this is eraser. So using these tools you can check your exam copies. Just today I am going to show you how we can use these tools to check the exam copy. So let us consider here this is my exam copy and this is the question number 1, the answer for question number 1. So if you think the answer is correct, then first of all you have to choose this button, draw free form. That means the pencil icon. Click the pencil icon here. Click the pencil icon. Now you can draw whatever you want. If you want to draw a line, that is okay. If you want to tick mark, if you want to write down any number or any marks or any comments, that is possible. So mainly you have to use this tool, this pencil or draw free form tool. But if you are doing some mistakes, then you can go back using the Ctrl Z version, Ctrl Z keys. So I am changing my decision that I am not giving these types of lines. Just if the question is answer is perfect, then you need to put just a single tick marks, and also you need to put the marks. There are several ways that you can put the marks. You can write down your marks here, just like this question is for only 2, so I am giving 2 out of 2. Just write down using the mouse and cursor, so that you can give the marks 2 out of 2 or just 2. This question represents only 2, so I am giving 2. Now there are several other ways. Let us consider this one. I am going back. So just first use your tick mark. I am giving tick mark. Then use this text box. Add a text box. If you are not interested to write down yourself, or if you do not know very well how to use the cursor or mouse to write down, In that case you can use this text box, add text box. So just click here and set somewhere the text box. I am setting the text box here. Now you will get these types of red box. Red box, now you can type whatever you want. If you want to give marks 2 out of 2, I am giving 2 out of 2 like this way. Or if you want to write down, then if you want to reduce the size of this box, you can reduce. Okay, this is done. So here you can see, just put here, and finally if this is done, then you can save. So you need to go file and save, so that it will remain in the PDF file forever. So you are giving the tick marks and you are giving the marks, and finally if you have several question answers, and you can do similarly, just correct and put your marks, and then this is one, or any other questions. There are several questions, so one by one you check, and then you can do another thing. If you want to draw a line that is not perfect, so you can use a straight line. Even there are several other options here. So this one, just you can use a that is very suitable for PDF form from Word. I am going to show you just next. So here you can do, just take the marks from each question and sum up and write down in the top of the sheet. So write down here, let us consider this class test is out of only 10. So I am giving, if this student gets 6 out of 10, just I am writing 6 out of 10. So and then finally save like this way. That is done. So you can do by this way. Again, if you find out the PDF file from Word file like this one, this is a Word file converted into PDF. So go again in the comment box, here use this, you can check tick mark, you can write down text box whatever 2 out of 2 like this, or you can do many more other things. You can use these types of a straight line, if it is correct or not. Even you can use other types of word. You can highlight this one, because you can highlight. Also you can cross something, select here this text box, and maybe this is completely, this can be done in the PDF generated from Word, but you cannot do these types of work when this is in the image form. So just I am showing two different methods, and you can check all the question answers and count your answers, marks, and then write down in the top of the sheet, and so that you can save it finally, and you can get the manuscript or get the answer sheet is marked and checked. So this is the end of today's video. If you think this is very important and if it helps you, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you very much.